Ideal for any cake recipe, designed for square-tiered and layered cakes, brownies, blondies, pastries and bar-type cookies. Fits perfectly, fits 10-quart air fryers. Interior measures 8 by 8 by 2, 20.3 x 20, 3 by 5.1 centimeters, overall 9 by 9 by 2, 22.9 x 22, 9 by 5.1 centimeters. 14-gauge anodized aluminum, easy release and clean up. Safe for citrus-based foods unlike traditional bakeware. Will never rust, peel or flake. No extra metals, chemical additives, dyes, PTFEs or PFOAs. Hand wash recommended. Heats cools quicker, prevents overbaking and dry cakes. Heats evenly with no hot spots. Temperature rated up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, 285 degrees Celsius. Pressure cooker, air fryer and freezer safe. Built bakery tough, built to last through daily use in both the home kitchen and commercial establishments. Top reviews from the United States. 6th pan purchased, they are that good. My review from previous purchases. These are still the best pans I have ever purchased. Came to these fat Daddio pans late in my life. They are well made, sturdy, have a great rim for holding onto. This is the 6th pan I have purchased. They conduct heat well, heat evenly, release baked and cooked on food readily, are easy to clean, sometimes with just a little soaking. Just great pans. And they come in a huge number of sizes and shapes, a few less during the pandemic. I use mine in a toaster oven, as that is what I have. And they are great. Even my pies finally no longer have a soggy bottom. I use them for both sweet and savory dishes interchangeably. There is no coating on these pans. I use baking soda and Dawn dish soap paste on the after a gentle scrubbing with my stainless steel scrubber. The soda, soap paste gets them very clean, although there is a slight amount of staining no matter what I do. Stains do not affect cooking or flavor that I have noted. If I had more budget I would buy a couple more sizes.